Ito, mais. Sweet corn. Masarap. Niluto ko lang siya. Tag 45 cents ang isa.
Just the three of us.
Dami kayo, tamis-tamis ba? Kasi sweet corn to siya. Bumili ako ng 20 pieces. Tag 45 cents. So, 40 cents. Mga nasa 25 pesos o 30. Ang isa.
Anna.
Laka. Wala pa ba yun, Scott? Ayaw nang tumikim. Hindi ako kukain ng mais.
We have work to do.
Laka. Mainit pa, mainit. May nagtatanim dito ng mais dito, sweet corn. So once a year lang, nagtatanim siya dito. Isang Dutch na Netherlanders. Tatanim sila ng mga gulay, ampalaya, sitaw, at iba pa. Kaya pag pumunta ako doon, bumibili ako sa kanya. Kasi once a year lang siya nagtatanim ng ganito eh.
Yesterday I flew in to accept the order of friendship from the Russian Prime Minister. Now I'm headed back to Washington to hand the President my resignation. My chief analyst, William Brandt. The pen? Pardon me? The pen. Ethan, what happened in the Kremlin?
Chief analyst, you say?
If you're implying that I made a bad call.
European male. 50s. About 6 foot 1
Leka.
pounds. Blue eyes. Who is he?
Tagal matapos.
Kruger drawn, but by your description, that could be Kurt Hendricks.
Laki kasi.
90 IQ. Served in Swedish Special Forces.
Dalawa lang yung sinain ko.
Physics, Stockholm University, specialist in
Kasi
nuclear
bukas
engineering theory.
yung iba naman
Has
sa inyo.
resigned.
Dahil may mga bisita ko ng mga Pilipina.
Well, because he's crazy. Cobalt.
Masarap talaga pag presko pa.
The Kremlin, one of their strategists has a nuclear
Medyo
weapons
matamis-tamis.
device, and one of his operatives has the codes to activate it.
And what makes you say that?
I saw him leaving the executive armory, baggie in hand. He set off that explosion to cover his tracks. It could be weeks before the Russians know it's missing, unless we tell them.
They won't listen to us. As far as the Russians are concerned, we just bombed the Kremlin. Tension between the United States and Russia hasn't been this high since the Cuban Missile Crisis. And the blame, right or wrong, points to IMF. The President has initiated Ghost Protocol.
Nagpicture ako.
The entire IMF has been disavowed.
So what happens now?
Now I've been ordered to take you back to Washington, where the DOD will label
Matagal
you
pala
as a
maubos
bogus
tong
and hang the Kremlin bombing on you and your team. Unless
Sa mais.
you were to escape somewhere between here and the airport, having assaulted Mr. Brandt and me.
Sir?
You would then illegally scrounge whatever material you could from a backup supply cache that I've overlooked. The same cache where your team are waiting for further orders.
Sir, you may want to
You will then disappear, and this conversation never having taken place, your intentions would be unclear. But if anyone of your team is
Eklaka.
caught or killed, they will be branded terrorists, out to incite global nuclear war. Your mission.
Matakaw sa mais.
You choose to accept it. Ethan, you were my
Tapos
best
na.
man. And I'm sorry it's come to this. After all the sacrifices you made.
Nakakabusog din to eh.
And I just want you to know, I've always considered you a friend.
Yung sa bahay, walang kumakain. Asawa ko, hindi kumakain yan. At saka anak ko. Ako lang. Okay. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye-bye. Kasi ubos na. No?
Stay with me.
Bye, guys.